It's been a while. Today I will be going to Big Bad Wolf with my friend Rai. We're still trying to find transportation, and I guess I'll open this camera again when I get there. So bye bye. Okay, since now I'm near the cancel box, I'm going to select a few books. So that's the end of the vlog. I'm sorry that I couldn't record more because of like a few troubles. And actually in half an hour I have to go to college. The first thing I saw when I got into the hall is the trees. From the previous years the trees weren't there, and the trees are helping a lot. I don't know, I just like the fake trees. And from the previous years, the food hall is expensive first, and second, it only has a few food trucks. This year's I was surprised because there are so many food stalls, and the price range is also bigger, you know. There are cheap foods and then there are expensive foods also, but it's not that expensive. I think it's still cheaper than the previous years. Last year's I didn't look at any other sections. I just go to like the fantasy, general, romance, and I didn't take a look at the non-fiction section. I took a look at the biography, self-help for my friend. I bought a book from that self-help for my friend, and then the historical memoir. I don't know how to say that, I'm sorry. Also like photography, interior designs, graphic designs, even language. I hate the language section because I was hoping I would find books about learning new languages, but it's just full of notebooks and English dictionary. And sadly, there are too many children's sections. Big Bad Wolf took 3 halls, 7 to 10, and maybe the kids section took 1 hall for itself. Or maybe 2 halls. Another good thing from this year is that they provide samples. I don't really recognize samples from last year's. Maybe it's new, or maybe it's something that I missed. And there are also the cancelled areas. There are a few boxes here and there. It's written cancelled, and people who don't want the book they put in their trolley can put it on the box, and with that cancelled box it helps us, the customers, and the staffs even more. And maybe since there are a lot of critics from last year about the cashier, they also I think put a few more additional cashiers, and so the lines are a lot faster. This year I only took about like less than half an hour. Last year I came to the preview sale, and this year, yesterday wasn't the preview sale. And maybe because of it's a regular day, it's wow. I still can feel the claustrophobic. It's hard to move. It's even harder for me to record. That's why I couldn't record a lot, and I'm sorry that you have to see my face more than the books. It's just because I really can't stop to record. I can't walk and record because it will be really shaky because people come from every directions, and I have to keep walking, and I have to bring the trolleys with me. That's really a problem for a vlogger, for an amateur vlogger like me. And then talking about the trolleys, they really need to put a lot more of trolleys. When I think like an hour or half an hour when I first got there, I just held my books in my hands. My friend and I couldn't find a trolley, and then we looked around searching for trolleys and there were none. But finally there is a broken trolley, and we had to use it because we couldn't hold our books. Okay, hi everybody, it's me, although I'm like this, but it's still me, and I'm sorry that I have to cut it because when I was recording I didn't know that it would be 18 minutes long, so I had to cut it. And this is my finale for this video, and I see you again in the whole video. Just wait for it. Okay, so bye bye.